Hi, we have had this motor coach 7 years and just figured out how to use our Frigidaire convection microwave. This is my husband showing me how.
Okay, we're going to show you how to use your Frigidaire microwave oven combination. Model number CFMV154CLSA. Okay, you start by hitting the bake button, then set your temperature 350, then hit the bake button again and set the time that you want it to bake. Then you hit start. You want the oven preheated before you start your baking. What you have to do is hit bake, your temperature, and start. It will then preheat and shut off. As soon as it shuts off, you go back and you hit bake, time, bake, cook time.
Okay, so you go in and you hit. Okay, stop. So I understand this. If I'm preheating, I hit bake, the temperature, and start. And that will preheat the oven.
And then shut off.
Then shut itself off. Then, once it shut itself off and it reads 0, you put your food in, hit bake, temperature, start. No. You hit bake, temperature, bake, time, start.
Yes.
Got it.